is your girl JayBaby and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on super 100% virgin hair. This is what they gave to me, this bag right here. So I'm thinking it's like a tote in case you want to carry your hair around or carry things around in. But inside of here is the hair. And it is by a company called Super. It's 100% virgin human hair. So this is a nice pink bag. I have a lot of these bags in different colors and I love it. Whoa, wait a minute, hold on. Inside of this bag, they give you, oh my goodness. They give you some lashes. These lashes are gorgeous. You get, oh, a wig cap, a head wrap. Okay now. A head wrap. This is the name of the company. Oh my goodness, wait a minute. They give you a bonnet. Yes, baby. I love bonnets. They give you a bonnet, a gold metallic one. Yes, a bonnet. And of course you get the wig. Now this is the length 24. It's a 5x5 HD transparent lace wig. And it is Swiss lace. So let's go here. Oh, okay, this is a 24-inch. So let's go ahead and get into the specs of it. Like I said, it's a closure wig. If I didn't say it, it's a closure wig. It's a 5x5. This is your 5x5. And it's a closure wig. It's supposed to be HD lace. Okay, I can see that. And for pre-plucking, it looks a little pre-plucked. So that's good. Inside of here, we have a comb right here on the side, a comb there. We have a comb right here, and we have elastic bands right here to tighten it. But don't forget, y'all, we have also a band for your wig. So I'm going to go here on, and I'm going to try this wig on. I have not did anything to it. You can see the tag is still on. So we're going to go ahead on and just get into the video. These waves is nice, y'all. Oh, it's soft. Smell like a baby doll. Okay, so we're going to go here on and get into, I like this. Let's get into the video. Okay, baby, so this is what she looks like. Try it on, and right off the back, she is like, I don't even think that I need any, and I was going to use the Bold Hold liquid gold, but I don't even think that I need it because I don't know once I cut the lace, but this looked like it's going to be a glueless one. So I love the curls that's in here. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. This is a beautiful wig. Of course, I would have to go in and just like customize a little bit more. I will see because, honey, actually, you know what? It's pretty good, though. I could put my baby hairs down. Yes, honey. And y'all know I love baby hairs, so we're going to do that. We're going to put baby hairs down, and we're going to just go here on and, yeah. Here's my baby hairs, guys. Look at this. Super easy. It's actually parted out for you, actually. It's not as easy as I'm making it seem, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to go here on and plait this up a little bit. Hold on. I'm going to get my baby hairs out. Once I get my baby hairs out, then I'll go here on and put some music on. And we're going to go here and do some work on this wig, okay? We're gonna go ahead on. Y'all done saw me do the unboxing, so we about to go ahead on in, honey, and just do it. Look at this. This is nice. Okay, let me slide it back a little bit. I don't think I need anything on it. With the elastic band, guys, it is like really holding really good. I don't even think I had the combs in. Nope, I didn't. That's because that's how good form fitness it is. So I'm going to go here on, y'all, and be quiet and just get into this video. I love the pattern of these curls, okay? Let's just do this.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You.
and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you.
Okay, guys, so listen, check it out. Girl, this hair right here, this hair right here, okay? This is bomb. This is lit. This is a vibe all by itself, okay? So this length is 24 inches and it goes long when you stretch it, guys, but we're not doing no stretching. We just gonna leave it the way it is. Y'all saw I just went on, I ain't put nothing in it besides the She Is Bomb on top. And my baby hair's got some Eco Styling Gel, and I did put it down with the boho liquid. The reason why I did is because when I cut this side right here, I cut something I wasn't supposed to cut, and it kind of like, you know, I didn't want to have that demark of the lace closure. Sometimes you can have that, and I didn't want it to just cut it straight across. I wanted to kind of like eliminate it, but what I should have did was took it off my head and did it. Then I would have been able to have it where as though it will be glueless. But you can have it to be glueless, y'all. I found that out. It's just that I cut it wrong. So I'm okay with it because we talking about a 5x5 lace closure. We ain't talking about a lace frontal, y'all. Not all the way down. Just, it looks like a frontal, right? I know. So anyway, that's all I used. I didn't put anything in it. I didn't put no mousse in it. But if you want to retain the length and get that wet look and let it dry to be long, then you want to use water. you want to use mousse, and you want to go in afterwards and use some gel. And whatever kind of gel you want to use, you can use. And it will retain the length for you. But I don't want the length. I want it to be exactly the way it is. I'm not going to pluck out these curls, finger out these curls, nothing. I just pretty much just, you know, fluffed it. We talking about 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. It took me 10 minutes to do my hair. So it's already pre-plucked for you. I just went on and put my little baby hairs down. Usually, I was going to do 4, but usually I do 3 because I just like to swoop here, swoop there, and swoop there. That's it. The closure parting is really long all the way back here. We talking about 5 to 5. And it's HD lace, Swiss lace, HD. And it's Swiss lace, okay? So, guys, 10 minutes, get your hands on it. It will be a link down below. That way you'll be able to click on it, find some different textures of hair, different styles of hair that they have on their channel, as well as if there's a coupon code, you will know about the coupon code. That way you can get some money off. It's towards the holidays, guys. This is a nice wig, very nice wig, very soft and affordable. I didn't get much shedding at all. Actually, I didn't get no shedding at all. I didn't even test it to see. But it's a very nice wig. I didn't even touch. Yeah, okay. Maybe because I cut it. Plucked. But I don't know. But anyway, I will let you know again about this wig. Okay, I will keep you updated about this wig because this wig is beautiful. It's nice. All right, y'all. So you know, like JayBaby says, be blessed and not stressed. And JayBaby is signing off. Mwah.